Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this video, I will show you how to configure announcements for your church. To do that, you need to click the engagement tab and then you go to announcement tab here. Okay. So this gives you the announcement dashboard. So for this church, there is no announcement yet. But to get announcement, you click create announcement button here. Okay. Here you can see we're doing prayer vigil. Here you put in there will be a prayer vigil for the women. Yeah. You can say women prayer vigil. Okay. And then priority, if it is high, urgent. If it is for this branch, in case if you have more than one branch, which you can configure on this platform, then you can select whether it is all branches or just a particular branch. So for this case, we have just one location here. Then here you select the date. Yeah, just choose the date. This video is on Friday, and then publish it immediately. Yeah, you do that. Show on public announcement page so that other members can see it. You put that in. Then what you do is here you can select an image of that event. So I'm just going to choose something here, and then boom, it comes in there. So once you're done, okay, click create announcement. Okay, yeah, so that is the announcement. So women prayer vigil, this. Okay, now you can edit it. Yeah, you can edit it, and then you can make it to go public. Yeah, to go public. Now, this is where you can search for different announcements for the published ones, draft announcements. So you can publish it. So now it's published. So if you click this button, it goes to draft. If you click again, it goes to published, which means everyone can see it. Priority high. Yeah, you can search high priority announcements. You can search announcement that branch. You can check the source of the announcement. So different departments in the church can send announcements to this dashboard from their own app session. Okay, so here you can search any announcement from prayer department, event department, or whatever announcements any group wants to send to the church can be sent here. So you can search. So here's house fellowship. So house fellowship that have announcements can just send that through here, and then it comes to the church. Just general announcement as well comes, and then all services. Then you can also search announcements by day, by date range from this day to this day. Okay. Now the good thing about this announcement is that once it is published, then it is available for church members to see on their member app. Okay, on their phone. So let me show you what they will see. So um, I will show you that through the member service area. So in the member service area, when your church members download the app, this is what they will see. Yeah, they will see this, and then you see the first thing here is announcement, and so that's the announcement that we just created now in the church dashboard. So this is what your church members would see once they click that announcement button. They will see all the announcements that the church has made available and the one that happened midweek. Some people miss service; they don't know what happened in the church. Some people travel; they don't know what's going on in the church. So this is very powerful. It's like putting the church in the hands of your church members in terms of the announcement. As they travel, they are connected. They know exactly what is going on in a very powerful digital way. Okay, and then we could go back to the app. Yeah. So yeah. So that is how you configure your church announcement. You can create as many announcements as possible as you want. Yeah. Right. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you to start using the announcement uh, features on the platform. If you have any questions at all, please do send us email at support@trustcentralcloud.com, and we will get back to you. We are here 24/7 for you, and we are here to support you to succeed. Thank you for watching. God bless you.